think maybe clean up a little bit. Candy Lunchables. Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Sorry if it's a little loud, I'm at the top of the shower. I just finished editing Day 6 and Day 7. Day 6 is uploaded now. Day 7 I'm going to upload tonight just because space it out a little bit but still have it up today. I just didn't edit yesterday, so that's what that's about. So I was a little behind. But yeah, I'm going to shower. And yeah, it's like noon. I cannot wait to go back to work next week because my schedule is just like, I feel like I'm bummed. I hate it. Like, I'm just like, I don't know. It's so weird, but yeah, I'm gonna shower and then probably eat some lunch. And then maybe do some sewing or something. We'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower. So, since I've been like couch bound, our house be getting mad messy, so I think maybe clean up a little bit before I do anything else. Let me just show you. It's kind of embarrassing, my sink. Like, ew. That's a mess. That's a mess. That's a mess. Yeah, we're gonna clean. Dishes are done. Now to do everything else. Hi, Shmee. Hi. Hi, Vader. Okay, we're gonna organize my pantry because, like, what is this? All of my homemade pickles here that we made. They're kind of gross because I put too much mustard seed in them, but you know. We got this bottom shelf cleared off. Gotta clear off those shelves. Why do I have so many graham crackers and just crackers? Like, stop. Someone tell me to stop buying crackers. More graham crackers, bro. Like, I gotta make something with graham crackers. These are all from the summer when I was like making s'mores. Okay, that's pretty clean now. A little more organized. Looking good. And most importantly, there's not stuff all over the counter now. My mom did end up getting me one of these like Keurig stands, so I'm gonna put my K-cups in this. Yeah. Okay, this looks so cute. Alright, I'm gonna load up my K-cups in here. This is so organized now. Look, I can organize by like flavor now. That's fun. Can I just like push those? I don't know when I'm gonna drink coffee again, but at least I have a place to store these now. So that's fun. Cool. And nice. Ooh, it's already looking so much cleaner in here. I gotta figure that out. I have to show you the cute stockings I made. So I made these for me and Kevin, and then these for the cats. They're so cute. I have a video on my TikTok of me making them. My kitchen's finally clean. Clean enough at least. My kitchen's finally clean enough. Had to put those there because I don't know where to put them, but those are for baking. But the kitchen's clean. Ignore that. I don't know where to put it. But table's clean. Vader, get off the counter. I just cleaned. Down. Down. This one doesn't listen. But yay. Kitchen's clean. Gotta take that out to the trash. I need to put those somewhere. That's like Christmas stuff, boxes, and I don't feel like putting them back in the attic, but yay. Say yay. Candy Lunchables. What even?
What are you doing? Why are you